Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Resolve and placing your clip on the timeline. That gets you into the color page quickly. Once there, select the node for the clip and add an outside node so you can affect background only. Draw a power window around the subject. Use elliptical or Bezier to match the frame. Make sure to increase the window's feather to around 0. 5:1. 0 so the transition is natural. This isolates the foreground and prepares the background for blur without touching subject details. Once the mask is placed, track it across the shot so the window follows motion. Use the tracker controls forward and back until the track is solid. After tracking, attach a Blur or Resolve FX Gaussian blur to the outside node and start with a moderate strength, like 1025, then ramp as needed. This preserves depth separation. If hair or translucent edges suffer, use a qualifier or matte finesse controls to shrink/grow the matte and soften the border. To finish, tweak blur strength and consider a parallel node for any background color grading so the subject still reads correctly. Render a short clip and inspect at 100% to catch halos, color spill, or edge artifacts. If problems show up, make sure to increase feather slightly, refine the matte with matte finesse, or retrack. As a last resort, use the paint or clone tool to repair persistent artifacts. Once satisfied, render the full timeline and review on the final delivery codec.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.